Google just released Gemini 3 Flash, and we know with the previous 2.5 Flash that this is fast, but that's not it. Gemini 2.5 Flash was good, but Gemini 3 Flash is just better in every way possible. It's even comparable to Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is the successor or the predecessor to Gemini 3 Pro. They say that Gemini 3 Flash demonstrates that speed and scale don't have to come with the cost of intelligence. It delivers frontier performance on PhD level reasoning and knowledge benchmarks like GPQA Diamond with a 90.4% and Humanities Labs exam 33.7% without tools, rivaling large frontier models and significantly outperforms even the best 2.5 model, Gemini 2.5 Pro. As you saw on the diagram here, you see that Gemini 3 Flash is really good. It's comparable to basically their last Pro model. They say in addition to its frontier level reasoning and multimodal capabilities, Gemini 3 Flash was built on high efficiency, pushing the frontier of quality and cost and speed. They said Gemini 3's Flash strength lies in its raw speed, building on the Flash series of developers and consumers already love. It outperforms 2.5 Pro while being 3 times faster than Gemini 2.5 Pro. As you see in this diagram below, they're actually generating the Golden Gate Bridge with Gemini 3 Flash, and then you see on the right, you see 2.5 Pro generating the bridge, and you can see that, well, Gemini 2.5 Pro is good, but Gemini 3 Flash is better, and it doesn't seem like there's any less power when it comes to Gemini 3 Flash. They say Gemini 3 Flash is priced at 0.5 per million input tokens and $3 output per million tokens. Even in these examples, you see different coding examples that you see that this Gemini 3 Flash is just so much better and faster than 2.5 Pro, which is really what you want from these type of things. Here's another example where Gemini 3 Flash enables multimodal reasoning and a hand-tracked ball launching puzzle game, where you see that Gemini 3 Flash is able to respond in real-time events, which is the benefit of a Flash or a faster model overall, where Gemini 3 Pro is a strong and powerful model. Sometimes you don't need as much power, you need more speed. And that's where Gemini 3 Pro or Gemini 3 Flash comes in at. Not only that, you see Gemini 3 Flash builds and A/B tests new loading spinner designs in near real time, streaming the design to code process. So you can prototype a lot faster, where you see these two are literally looks like it's building in real time. So you can ideate, prototype in just a few minutes, if not seconds. Not only that, they do have this other model. This other example, Gemini 3 Flash uses multimodal reasoning to analyze and caption an image with contextual UI overlays in near real time, ultimately transforming a static image into a interactive experience. As you see there, Gemini took an image and then added like on it to make it interactive, just from an image, analyzing it and making a whole entire application for it. It doesn't just take that. You see this example here where the Gemini 3 Flash takes a single instruction prompt and codes 3 different unique design variations in near real time. So you can literally go from idea and get variation to go with the approach that you like the most. 3 Flash is really powerful, and I want you to think about it like this. For most people's use cases, let's say you're not a programmer, let's say you're a college student, want homework done, or you want rapid ideations, maybe just spell check, something more productive and efficient and not as powerful. This is where you want to be. You can think about this as a well-tuned sports car, like a Ferrari or a Lamborghini, that if you want to go somewhere quick and efficient, you would get a car like this. Gemini 3 Pro is more like a semi-truck. It's going to get you to where you need to go, and it's going to carry a lot with it, but it will be a bit slower. And so that's the trade-off that you have with the two Gemini 3 models that are just released. I think this is a complete game changer, and we do now see that it's rolling out to, of course, all the Google products, including anti-gravity. But tell me what you think. Do you think this is pretty cool, or do you think that you're going to be sticking more with the Gemini 3 Pro instead of the Flash? Either way, if you want to keep up the latest and greatest AI news, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, your boy Dex9 Dexter out.
It's the perfect loading spinner. So fast, you barely need a loading spinner. Once you start evolving, it streams the code for the next version of spinners and shows you the latency metrics. You select your favorite variant, and the next generation of spinners will be based upon that one. You can imagine this for any app, personal assistant, or piece of software that needs to learn based on users' preferences. So start developing your favorite spinner and see what piece of software you could adapt based on user feedback.